Again, to recap, this is the first time I actually drive the car with the number 7 exhaust header tubes gasket area broken off. Just to give you guys a demo, this is with the windows completely up. And when I roll the windows down, I will announce that I'm rolling down the passenger side window just so you can hear the differences in sound quality. This is windows up. Again, it's on the driver's side of the motor. I remember a 400 cubic inch Buick Regal. This guy in Long Island, I mean, Jesus, this was almost over 2 decades ago. I was gonna buy, and I didn't know then what I know now about the differences of a Buick 455 and a 400 cubic inch V8. That guy, he had the Stage-1 chrome valve covers from a 400 cubic inch Buick V8 on that Regal's motor, and it ticked. It sounded almost like this, but a lighter, softer, clearer tick. And I remember asking the guy, oh, is anything wrong with the lifters? He said, no, the Buick 455, it ticks like that. Now, my point in mentioning that, I remember 2 years or 3 years later, I had a Car Craft magazine, and it mentioned that Buick 400 sounds like a ticking time bomb, but it's the way the valve train is. Now, you Buick guys, you know, let me know if that's true or not. 400 Buick ticks, 455 does not. Now that's with the windows up. Now I'm rolling down the passenger side window. Now the driver's side, which has a severe window rattle. This is with the windows down, how it sounds. At 1,100, you don't hear it. Until 900 RPM, it starts. 900 RPM at idle. Oh, here we go. Finally, a car is beside me, so I can give you guys an example of how it sounds if you were standing on the outside of my car. Oh, he moved up. I can take advantage of this GMC Denali. Now you hear it on the outside. Just to give you an example, rolling up the driver's side window. Passenger side window is halfway down. I was gonna use the gasket maker that comes in a tube, if I'm not mistaken. But just get the gaskets from TA Performance, new header gaskets for Stage-1 Exhaust Headers, and call it a day. Driver side window up, passenger side window halfway down. Passenger side window is all the way up now. RPM. Over 1,005. Thank you again, Ralph at Ralph's Auto Repair. Ralph's Auto Center, I'm so sorry. Ralph's Auto Center, Williamsburg, New York. As far as my power brakes, as a matter of fact, I was leaving my daughter's I think it was about a week and a half ago. It was raining that night, and this gray Jeep Cherokee was coming out of, I think it was Checkers or something like that, Checkers or McDonald's, either one of the two. This lady, I saved the video on the desktop of my computer. There was no need to put it on YouTube or Facebook. I didn't want to embarrass anyone, you know. That's not a good thing to do. So I just save it for my personal viewing. And my point, I had to literally jump on the brakes in the rain. I've never hit my brakes as hard as that. And my Regal stopped perfectly fine in the rain, thanks to Ralph and God. Basically, all praise to God right away. We all know that. And if you don't know that, something's wrong. I feel something's wrong if you don't know that. All praise to God Almighty. He calls all the shots, set everything up. So, thanks to God and Ralph, I didn't have any problem stopping. And I'm very grateful for that. Happy New Year's, Ralph. Well, you know what? After I get the header gasket changed, then I'll stop by Ralph's and tell him Happy New Year like that. I don't want to go there like this. But so far, so good. That's about it. The purpose of this video was just to give you guys an example of the sound differences with the window up or down, with the busted #7 exhaust header tube gasket area. And that's it. Let me see something. Stop this video because I want to listen to the radio for a change. All right, thank you guys very much for your view, comment,